Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns every month. The link is down below. If you'd like to sign up under me, you can get your first month 20% off and use the promo code JEWEL20. So this is the site right here, and you can come choose what type of box you would like. Let's see who the winner is. I also have a Facebook group and page that is down below if you'd like to join. The winner is Rachel King. Congratulations. Please contact me. My email is down below. I'll send this out as soon as possible. I want to thank everybody for participating and subscribing. Come back for new giveaways in the future and any new patterns I have out. I just uploaded a video on the crochet baubles for Christmas, so if you'd like to take a look at that if you haven't already. So thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.